Okay, let's look at homework 11.1, 11.2, problem number 19. Right? So we want to find an equation of the graph that passes through the point, which is 8, 2, and has the specified slope. So derivative is given there. Right? So let's do that. Right, first we want to solve this differential equation. So this is a separable equation, so let's separate the variables. Right, so first, I'm gonna multiply both sides by, say, x. Oh, actually, sorry, divide by y. Right, so that way we get 1 over y. I'm going to write y prime as a dy over dx, and is equal to, and 3 over 4x. And to make it look a little bit better, I'm going to multiply both sides by 4 and also dx. So I guess I'm going to write it as a multiply by 4 dx, right? That way dx is gone, multiplied by 4, so you have a 4 over y dy, which is equal to 3 over x, and the 4's canceled out, so you have a dx, right? So this way we can put the integral signs on both sides. Right, so then evaluate the integrals. Right, so if 4 is just a constant, right, so 1 over y antiderivative is natural log of the absolute value of y, right, is equal to, right, natural log of absolute value of x with the 3 in front, right, plus some constant here, plus some constant c, right? And one thing we can do is, since we have 4 here, right, we can actually put 4 as a power, and the 3 is the same way. We can put 3 as a power here. Right, so let's do that. So this can be written as, right, natural log of y to the 4th power, right, which is equal to, right, natural log of absolute value of x to the 3rd power, right, and plus some constant c, right? And you can put absolute value here, but it's raised to the 4th, so it doesn't really matter. Right, now we can find c by plugging in x equals 8 and y equals 2. Right, so let's do that. Right, so if you plug it in, you're going to get the natural log of, here it's 2 to the 4th power. So that's 4 times 4, 16. Right, is equal to, right, 8 cubed. So it's a natural log of, let's say 8 cubed is what, 64 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. And 48, so 512. So it's a 512. Plus some constant c. Right, so this is going to be equal to, right, so c is going to be, right, so subtract natural log of 512, right, so that's going to be a natural log of 16 minus natural log of 512 equals c, right? And if you have a subtraction, we can write it as, I'm gonna just go up here so we have more room. Right, so it's a natural log of 16 over 512. Right, so then we can let's see, I think this is a multiple of 16, so this is going to be equal to C. Right, so we can cancel 16 and you would have 1. Right, so 512 divided by 16 would be 3. Alright, so that would be 18, so it's a 48. So 32, so it's going to be 2. So 32. Right. So we have C, so this is going to be, so therefore C is natural log of 1 over 32. Right. So let's go back to the equation here. Right. So you notice that the y value is positive and x value is also positive. So we can actually get rid of the absolute value sign because it's they are positive. So you have natural log of y to the 4th power is equal to natural log x cubed and plus natural log of 1 over 32. Right, so we can get rid of natural log by raising e to the natural log of up to the both sides, so natural log of y to the 4th, and you have e to the natural log of x cubed and the natural log of 1 over 32. Alright, so you can see that here you have e and natural log cancel out, and here we can split into e to the natural log of x cubed times e to the natural log of 1 over 32. Right, but both e and the natural log cancel out, so you end up getting this equation: y to the 4th is equal to x cubed from here and over 32. Right, so that's the solution of the initial value problem or differential equation. Right, so let's check. Right, so you can see that the answer is y to the 4th is equal to x cubed. Right, then in order to find the correct graph, all you have to do is this one thing. You notice that 0, 0 would satisfy, so this would go through that, so this would go through that, and here this would go through that, and here this guy doesn't go through it, so this can't be it. Right, and another thing we notice is that here y cubed over 32 is y to the 4th. Y to the 4th is always positive, which means that the x value is always positive. Right, so you would have a graph only on the right side of the y-axis. Let's look. Right, so this has a graph on the left side, so this can be it. Right, this is promising, going through the origin and the graph is on the right side of y-axis. This can't be it, so we eliminated everything but this guy, so answer should be that guy. Right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.